In today's digital world, where screens often replace traditional play, the best telescopes for kids open up a hands-on window to the wonders of the universe. They ignite curiosity and help children explore astronomy and science through real, interactive observation. Why a telescope is great for kids. Telescope sparks curiosity, encourages kids to ask questions and explore the unknown. Milky Way educational value, introduces basic concepts of astronomy, science, and space. Brain boosts focus and patience, teaches children to observe carefully and wait for the right moment. Family man woman girl boy encourages family bonding. Stargazing can become a fun and educational family activity. Shooting star reduces screen time, offers an engaging alternative to phones and tablets. Bullseye hands-on learning. Kids learn best by doing, and telescopes provide that real-world interaction. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.